is DNA? Well, simply put, DNA is life's blueprint, a molecule that encodes genetic instructions used in the development of all known living organisms and viruses. It's a nucleic acid that in most cases are double-stranded helices, consisting of two long biopolymers made of simpler units called nucleotides. DNA is tailor-made for biological information storage, which is why it's so useful in the world of forensic science. So how is it utilized? Forensic DNA analysis is a multi-step process, starting with removing the DNA from the biological material that is submitted to a lab. This can be saliva, blood, semen, hair, skin cells, or any biological material containing cells with a nucleus. The next step is extracting the DNA from the nucleus, a process called extraction, where cells are broken open using a combination of chemicals and heat to release the contents of the nucleus where the DNA is stored. The materials then go through a cleanup process so the sample is pure DNA. The next step in the process is to determine how much DNA was retrieved from the cells through a process called quantitation. Quantitation is important because the next step requires a specific amount of DNA to achieve optimum results. Too much or too little requires the concentration to be adjusted before the next step. After quantitation comes the amplification process, where specific regions inside the DNA molecule are copied. During the amplification process, fluorescent tags are placed on regions of the DNA, which will be used in the last step. The last phase is the detection process, where our copied fragments of DNA are separated by size and are passed through a laser. When this laser hits the fluorescent tags we added earlier, a camera determines what color the tag is and how much there is. What results is a DNA profile set of numbers at the different regions tested called a locus. One of the numbers comes from the mother, the other from the father, linking the subject to each one. Currently, DNA testing gives results at 16 different areas. Results at all 16 areas is considered to be a full profile. If an individual's DNA profile matches at all 16 areas to a DNA profile developed from evidence at a crime scene, then law enforcement can use that data to place the individual at the location.